Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. So, Ejeme is a paid partnership because I'm definitely collecting my cut. Okay, so we're using the baby wipes, I think, to clean the face before the makeup starts. What do you mean that? I think this is, I don't know, this is like a serum. I don't know, like vitamin C serum or vitamin E serum. Sha. I don't know what it's for. I think for, I don't know what it's for. Okay, by using one cream, sha. I think it's under layer or something. First layer, I think this has different stages or different layers. So this is like layer two. Primer. Yes, yes. We're using primer now. And I don't know, primer. I think is for making the skin look bold or what? Because the face is changing. I don't understand. And this is definitely the foundation now. Yeah, this is foundation. The color itself will tell you. So we're putting the foundation now. We're using our foundation brush or makeup brush to spread it. We're dampening it. I don't know what this foam is called. Makeup foam. Makeup is in the makeup bag. So we're spreading it. Hey God. Then I think this is the concealer. Yes. This is concealer. I think concealer we use it for the eyes, just the eye area, around the like marks, something like a marks area, just to make those parts I think come out also to conceal it the name says. So we're spreading it again. If you notice, we're not using our hands, we're using our makeup foam. Please don't use your hands, don't be there. Use your makeup foam. Germs are everywhere to spoil your skin, to enter your skin. We are spreading it. As you can see, everything has become one. It is blending. Don't go and do makeup that will not blend, though. Please, you have to add your concealer. Let it conceal everything. Blend everything. We're still blending. Blending takes time. Blending takes time. You have to take time with your makeup. We're still blending it. One more. We're blending. We are blending. Yes. So another concealer. I think this is a different shade. I think this one is for the nose, to bring out the nose and the maybe cheekbones or something. The edges, I didn't know face too has edges. I thought it was only hair. This one is another concealer, maybe for the nose and the cheekbones. So we're applying it. I think we're also going to dampen this one. Okay, yes, I'm correct. So we're spreading it. We're dampening it. We're dancing. We're dancing. You have to be happy. If you frown and you're doing makeup, if you go outside, you'll be looking like Joker or one of these Marvel villains. I beg. Take your time. We're spreading it. As you can see, everything is coming together. We've not even started. And by the time we finish, okay, we're done dampening it. We're done spreading it. What's next? Be happy when you're doing your makeup. Don't frown. It will just come out like that. This is not supposed to be for the lips. Okay, I will call this one another concealer. We're spreading it. Okay, I think this is for the blush. I mean, what did they call it? Yes. I did try. It's for the blush. Okay. I think to bring out the smile, I be the face. I don't know. Yes, the smile. We've tested it. It's for the smile. So we've spread it, we've made it even. And this. I think this. I think we bought this together. When you want to buy this, you have to look for the shade that matches your skin. Because we were testing and testing that day to find the right shade. So Sha, I think we eventually did. So we're applying it, you dampen it again, you spread it to make it even. See, you have to check if it's the same shade as your skin. So we're spreading. I think this for under the eyes. We're spreading it. We're making it even. We're dampening it for the nose too. To bring out the face. To brighten the face. Okay, yes. To brighten the face. I can see it now, yes. I think this is the last. This is supposed to be the last year layer. Because this is how normally looks when they are done. Apart from the eye and the eyelashes and the rest, sha. Probably somebody put all this in, I will not sweat. Um, we're spreading it. You have to make it even, unless some parts will be brown and some parts will just be normal, your normal skin. You don't want to go outside looking like a novice, someone that doesn't know how to do their makeup. Me say if I para, I will do makeup one day. Guys deserve it now. Well, this one, it's too much. So I think everything is even now. If you can see everything is coming out, then this is eye pencil. Yes, eye pencil for the eyes. Eye pencil. I think you have to draw it to shapen it or something like that. Yes, to give it a shape, sha. If you don't have time, to the right, to the left. One more. I think you can use any color you want. I think there are different colors to that stuff. Then what was this? What was this? While mixing something to get okay, maybe this is art and craft. We're mixing two colors to get something. Sha. I need to get another color for under the. Okay. Color has come out. Okay. So this is for above the eye. Okay, it's also to shapen it too, so that it everywhere will not look so dark. Now we're spreading it, we're making it even. As you can see, everything is coming out well. Coming out very, very bold. So I pray this is the end, though. I don't know, we're singing. What are we saying? Okay. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Ah, eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. This is our eyeshadow. Myself, when I smile, they rub this one. This is our eyeshadow. Okay, definitely. The name will already tell you what it's used for. It's for the eyes to bring it out, to brighten it. You know, some people have God-given eyes, so I think this one it also brings out eye color now. It depends, Sha. I think it will bring out your eye color. I don't know. Then we're adding with a touch of pink to bring it out. Obviously, it's coming out well though. Then we're making it even. And everything has to lap. Everything has to be according. And this one, another eye pencil for the eyelashes. There, this is powder now. Yes, powder. So on top of this thing, we still do powder. Okay, Sha, powder is to conceal everything in, to make everything just balance once. That I think that's supposed to be the final step. Then we'll do the eyelashes again to put them in this way we want them. Sha, I don't know what this one is for. It's for eyelashes, Sha. I think it's to give it the color, the darkness, to make it go up, to straighten it, a bit to curve it. Yes, everything has. If you can see now, everything is coming out well. Do the down, we do the top. Cannot do the down and leave the top. You'll be looking like a masquerade. So we have to do everything accordingly. So now for the lips, for the top of the lips and also the nose, blend it in. We'll add it to the blush so that everything is going to rhyme. His makeup is art, and I'm an artist, so this is what I do. Now while we're spreading it, we're making everything even. I'm making everything even. It's coming out nice though. Everything is coming out nice. Everything is okay. As you can see, everything is balanced. Everything has come together very, very well. Then this lip pencil. It's just like eye pencil, but for the lips. It's just on the lips. I think any shade you want, any color you want. I think they have different colors. So you buy the one you like, use it for your lips. Just like the eye pencils and the rest. You put it on. You have to put it on precisely. You don't gonna be drawing on your face. So if you cannot do it, you get someone to do it for you, or you use a mirror and do it. Then lipstick or lip balm, one of them, or all of the above. Sha. I think our shade is pink, so we really like pink, so we're going with pink. And this one is like pink that has glitter or something. Lip gloss. Okay, this is lip gloss. This is lip gloss. Yes. Okay, I have seen it. Yes, I can remember now. Most of these things I used to see them every day, but I don't even know what it is. If you point the gun at my head tomorrow, I cannot even tell you what any of this is. I'm just guessing. And we're done. Okay, we just did our hair. Okay, we did our hair, Sha. Maybe next video we'll show you how we did our hair. Our hair safe has another routine. It's a whole lot. So that's all. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.